Hi, my name is Diana Alcocer. I'm a student at BYUI. I'm an online student and my major is Marriage and Family Studies. I would like to start talking about a family experience. My son Gerardo went to BYUI after his mission, and he was very thrilled to be at BYU on campus. After his first semester, he started having some health problems. He went to the doctor and had some blood tested, and the results were he had triglycerides 7 times higher than a normal person and cholesterol very high too. And something important was to say is that Gerardo had some home habits, like he had good sleep at home and good diet habits, and he continued with those habits in his mission too, as well as exercising on his mission. So we found that this vicious cycle health that students start to develop during college stage, and we can see that poor emotional health or poor physical health can lead to low school results. As the triangle shows, midterms, tuition fees, relationships, bullying, grades, depression, schoolwork, and exams can overload their feelings. So college curriculum have been structured to take students to the limit, and sometimes it's very, very stressing. What habits are important in a university life or acquired during it? There are 3: sleep, diet, and physical exercise. I have found these 3 habits that affect students' physical and mental health. According to my own family experience, these 3 principal habits are important for them to acquire. We're going to talk about the first one, that is habit of sleep. The first habit is sleep, and an adult should sleep at least 7 to 8 hours per day. University of Cincinnati made a study on college students from 18 to 24 years old, and they found these results. 24% slept 7 to 8 hours. 55% less than 8 hours, 21% more than 8 hours. Sleep less produces stress, anxiety, sleep difficulty, and depression. The same study showed that does not sleep appropriately don't let people remember or concentrate on learning. The sleeping habit is like cleaning our hard disk of our computer each night. And we're going to talk about habit 2, balance your diet. Fruits and vegetables are the fundamental source of energy, but they are not easily available on campus. Fats and carbohydrates are available in cafeterias and vending machines 24 hours a day. Adding to our body calories, salt, fat, and sugar. All these produce people gain weight, causing medical problems, including anorexia, bulimia, and develop more problems. The habit 3 is physical activity. Physical activity is the third habit. Is very difficult to follow due to employment, classes, social responsibilities, and the study have shown that from Michigan that it exists the link between physical activity and the GPA. The physical activity elevates people's mood and lower the stress. Physical activity increases the energy and the capacity of memory. So there are 3 fundamental habits that affect college students' health and their capacity to achieve their goals. Number one, healthy food habits. Number two, 7 to 8 hours a day. And number three, physical activity. Unfortunately, college students lack of positive habits as they arrive to college, or they lose their family habits as they follow their peers' negative patterns. So universities should focus on having programs that supervise and prize college students that are willing to follow positive habits.